Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sala. I'm here again with a nice video. Today, we will visit the garden house connected to the 60 square meter garden house behind me, together with you, friends. Our building is 60 square meters. 2 bedrooms, open kitchen, living room, 10 square meters. You can subscribe to my channel from the subscribe button at the bottom right. If you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, friends, you will not miss the next videos. You will be informed. If you like my video, do not forget to press the like button. Friends, you can ask me your questions in the comment section. Let me show you a project card in the form of 2 bedrooms, an open kitchen, a living room and a 10 square meter building and a building to the left. He thought of such a prefabricated building in our garden. In other words, the logic in duplexes was built on top of this, and the shop ceramic laminate processes were applied again. This is how we approach us slowly, but on the standard 2.51 day, friends, we used a big window in the front. Friends, no coating process has been applied in our building. The door of our building, the steel door, as usual, has not been cleaned at the moment. The work is just finished. When we enter, an open kitchen hall of 22 square meters awaits us. That area you see is the kitchen section. Let me show you from this wide section. In the section you enter through the door, friends, the electrical installation, plumbing lamps, sockets of our new building have been completed with everything. Again, our mother's laminate flooring ceramic works were also done. Friends, right now, I have a kitchen countertop kitchen cabinet job that is missing. If necessary, on the left side, we have a very small nursery-style room. This island is on a small road of 8 square meters. There is a wash basin, a bathroom section, a toilet section. Friends, in our building, clean water, wastewater installations, sink, toilet, stone faucets. These belong to us. You can think of it, and I will show you the width of our room. As I said, friends, there was no coating process inside and outside of this building. So you can see the living elements on the business facade and outside of our building, friends. You will not see these connection elements on your walls. You will get a flat appearance, and in the same way, apply other coating processes such as insulating coating or stone coating on the exterior and make these connection elements completely invisible. As I said, friends, optional drywall coating process and exterior coating process can make the building look like a prefabricated house building and give it a more model and reinforced concrete building look. All of our buildings' insurances belong to us, as our middle box building will have 1 insurance for every 3 sockets. Friends, if I have to show you, our building has been done with curtains in the same way. Friends, this gives our building a more aesthetic appearance. So as an option, everything in the reinforced concrete building can vote, my friends. Many people ask, for example, in buildings, I will go to the bathroom section and I will show you there. You can see how the shower fountain works. It is a painting. What is Vestal? We visited our steel prefabricated building and inside and out together. I tried to explain to you when my tongue turns. You ask a lot, friends. Where is the company? Are you the owner of the company? Yes, friends, Tetic Prefabric is my own company. That is our own company, which we partner with my brother. We serve in Mugla, but we serve all over Turkey, friends. Balada. Yes, friends. This was our video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Goodbye. I had a good time. Or subscribe.